So we'll take a look at placing an edge handle onto a case. We'll choose one of these handles from Penelcom. Now the software will automatically show us all of the possible edges that this can be placed on. So what we'll do is we'll take this one as an example, click on it and it'll go blue. You can only do one at a time. So then at this point, we can now choose our anchor reference point. So if you wanted to maintain a central position, the best bet would be this middle anchor point. However, if you were wanting to offset it and maintain that offset, maybe using one of the left or right anchor points would be wise. But in this scenario, we're going to use the middle anchor point. It automatically lands down the center and then we can apply it. If I wanted to place that on the other side, I'm going to use the mirror function. And I now have two edge handles placed and cut into the case. And if we do a update to the size, let's make this a bit deeper, you will see that the handle will maintain its position centrally along the depth of the case. So yes, it's maintained its position and recut itself through the case in the correct place.